Good morning, everyone. Today I will be talking about the importance of parents, Module 5.1. Parents and guardians' involvement in the child's schoolwork and education has so many benefits, including higher grades, better behavior and social skills. The child is more likely to go to post-secondary schools if parents are involved. Therefore, it is important for us as educators to build relationships with parents as well as students. Furthermore, teachers need to communicate how the child is doing. In particular, for an online course, a few things you can do. You can email parents and guardians at the beginning of the course, introducing yourself and stating that you want every child to do well, and you will do whatever it takes to support them. Also, you can email the parents and the students the due dates for all the assignments, so that way parents and teachers can have the calendars at their disposal. And lastly, and I think this is probably is up there with all the things that I said, is I would encourage open communication throughout the course. So that together the teacher and the parent can support the child. Thank you.